Hello and welcome to Coaster Gents, and today we're at Alton Towers for the ultimate fireworks spectacular. So here's our first look at all the actual setup of the fireworks themselves. So there they all are in the canisters, and there's wires running everywhere because it's such a massive thing, it all has to go perfectly right. But yeah, let's head up to the towers and see more lights and stuff, and see if we can see anything to do with the drones that apparently we've got this year. So just before we go on any rides, we're going to get some lunch at the rollercoaster restaurant. Absolutely incredible in the rollercoaster restaurant there. It was literally only £20 for two of us. Honestly, my favourite hack for that restaurant is have a kids meal and then have a side, because you get the same amount, you get loads of food and it's like a few quid less than an adult meal. So it only costs 20 quid for two of us. And now it's time to go on Nemesis, for which will probably be my last ever time on the original. Wow, so I just had my last ever ride on the original Nemesis before it goes through a complete retrack and other things. That was such a good ride. And we also got the picture as well, because it has like this special thing on it as well with the date and all sorts. It looks great. But yeah, that was my last ever ride on the original Nemesis. It's quite sad. Just walking past then, here is Nemesis Subterra, which looks like it's under construction. Now, if this does come back, it will make my year, it will make my decade, because this is the #1 ride that I really want to go on, that never got the chance, because I'm a sucker for a dark ride. I absolutely love it. And this apparently was one of the best experiences. It wasn't the greatest ride, but I do love a drop tower as well, and with Apocalypse gone now, I'll take all we can get. Next up then, we're going on Oblivion. Very excited for this, because I haven't done it in months, and I quite fancy a ride on Oblivion. It's only on a 10-minute queue, so let's do it. So the sun is starting to set now behind the incredible Towers ruins, and it's just so calming and lovely. But we're going to continue around to Towers Trading now, because they've finally released the merchandise at 6 o'clock. So yeah, let's head back.
I'll send an SOS to you. I'll send an SOS to you. I hope that someone gets mine. 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 Messaging.
Can't you see I'm calling a guy like
Don't look down.
If I was an astronaut, I'd be floating in midair. This with the stars, but I'm only human, and I'm drifting in the dark. I'm up in space, up in space.
And summon the spirit of the Wicker Man.
It's about time the Ministry of Joy put a smile on your face. Gray skies are gonna clear up. Put on a happy face. Brush off the clouds and cheer up. Put on a happy face.
But first, let me take a selfie.
A celebration of everyone coming together, including you.
I'm trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. We set off a dream. All the shine, the thousand spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough.
Wow, so we have just watched the ultimate fireworks spectacular and I'm absolutely speechless. The drones were definitely my highlight. I absolutely love when they spell Alton Towers and the silhouette of the towers. That was amazing. I just can't believe that the Alton Towers Resort have got drones before Walt Disney World. My favourite bit was definitely the Wicker Man bit because they did running up the hill and I just absolutely loved it, as you saw in the footage. I love the Rita bit, that was different. They've gone down a drag queen route. It's like they're bringing back the Queen of Speed. The Nemesis bit was great. The only thing which I would knock about it is the fact that they didn't remix the ride soundtracks in with it like they normally do, and that makes it a bit more special. And they didn't do that, which I was a bit shocked about. But other than that, I loved it. The finale, I think, could have been a little bit better as well because I feel like it was very close to last year. But other than that, I really enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and we'll see you in the next one. That's a wrap.